fragrance.
Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening saan man sulok ng mundo. Rose Ganelo Vlog, happy blessed Friday everyone. Thanks God, it's Friday again, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's my holiday. So I would like to greet you. Happy morning, happy blessed Friday everyone, especially to my whole family, and of course my youngest son in the Philippines. Shout out Anak, I miss you, I love you. And of course to all my siblings, shout out everyone. And of course especially to my sister in Kuwait, Juliet Ugay Nieva, a chef supervisor, a very, very intelligent supervisor. Actually, she's my sister in close. We are close each other, and the others little bit. And to all my siblings, my sisters and brothers. I have two brothers, and my ate sister, big sister in USA, they don't like social media. And also all my other sisters and two brothers, they don't like social media. Only me and my sister Juliet Ugay Nieva in Kuwait at church supervisor. Hi, sis. Shout out. And of course, to all my followers here, thank you so much for supporting me sa mga simple videos ko. Shout out everyone. And of course, to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, and my YouTube channel. Sorry guys if you always saw me every day appearing here, because for me it's just for fun and avoid conflict and stress. So don't worry, when I for good in my country, in the Philippines, I'm sure I will not use social media anymore, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and I have to maybe concentrate my small business, and I want already a private life when I go forward in Philippines. So just for now, you can see me all the time in social media. And thank you for all my loyal followers and supporters. I love you all. Yes, that I'm announcing when I forgot already my country, Philippines, I will not use social media anymore, and I want to concentrate to my small business and to my family, of course, my children and my siblings. And I want to shout out to Lenny, sending me. She was saying, I am look like Jennifer Lopez. Wow! An American actress. Our neighbor, when she saw me walking outside, he said, Ma'am Jennifer Lopez. Wow, kaaba ng hair ni Rose de Melodran. Yeah. One of our neighbor, Lenny, working in Arabic house. When every time she saw me outside, he said, so always calling me, Madam Jennifer Lopez. Wow, sana all Jennifer Lopez. Thank you. Lenny lang. And gusto ko magpasalamat nga pala sa mga umalis na parents namin sa Salya. Alam ko na napapanood niyo ako dito. Sophia, Normina, maraming salamat sa pagtira niyo sa amin. Miss ko kayo, miss ko kayo. Miss ko kayo, Sophia, Normina. May namimiss ko kayo talaga, pero ganun talaga ang buhay. No permanent. And also, no permanent in this world. Lahat tayo pupunta lang. Alam nyo na, pupunta tayo doon sa heaven lahat. Kaya, gumawa tayo ng kabutihan habang nabubuhay tayo. So, thank you guys, everyone. To all my sisikoy, thank you everyone, especially to my very close to my heart, Miss Lauren Director, and to all of you guys, to all my supporters, loyal supporters in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I love you all, and Rose de Melodran. God bless us all. I love you all, guys.